Hello, fellow dividend investors. It's that dividend guy. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. Hopefully, you guys got some fun gifts and had some great family time. We are back at it now, and I'm going to brighten up my screen a little. Um, we're back at it with the dividend investing, and let's take a look at how the portfolio's done. So, we're getting pretty close to the end of the year. So I'm excited to see how we finish off 2019 going into 2020. So for today, we are up about $10, $14 ish. For the week, we're up, or excuse me, for the week, we're down. Surprising, that's one of the first times we've been down. $153.38. For the month, we're still up $495.69. The 3 month mark, we're still up $2,348.20. For the year, we're up $3,068. And then all time, we're up almost $2,500. So overall, we're doing pretty good. We did have a loss a bit today, but not anything I'm worried about. So let's go through the individual holdings and see how they did. So today, Altria Group is up only about 3 cents. Today's return, we are up 291, and our total return is almost about 490, almost $491. Coca-Cola, this one's one of my favorites. We are up today about 42 cents. The stock is, so my return today is $7.14. The total return is 68.53. Then we have the beloved AT&T, the one that just keeps climbing and won't come back down to my level. So they're at 39.16. Today we are up $12.40. The total return is almost $500 at $499.74. AbbVie, this one has been destroying. It's been very, very, very good to me. So we are down $15 today, but our total return, we are up $1,042. SKT, this is the newest holding in the portfolio. As of today, we are up 39 cents, and for the total return, we are down about 5 cents. So nothing to really worry about there. Walgreens, we only have one share. This is one of those positions I want to beef up, just like SKT. We are up 53 cents today, and our total return, we are up $4.28. So for a single share, that's pretty significant. ExxonMobil, for today, we are up $4.06. For our total return, we are down almost $97. For Target, this again, just like AT&T, AbbVie, and Altria Group, is one of those runners. So we bought it at 87. Today we are up $3.40. Total return, we're up $412. So we're up 47%. That is crazy, almost 50% for our total return on Target. As for our watch list down here, I don't think I've added anything but Macy's and US Bank. So Macy's I picked because it's retail and it's beaten down, but the dividend's great. They have a lot of real estate. So it's one of those picks I wanted because I can put a lot of reinvested dividends. So I only want Altria to be about 100 shares, right? So Macy's is one of the cheaper stocks that I found that I would trust enough to put some money in. Just like SKT, it won't be a huge position, but it does give us great dividend income because it has a pretty high yield. Then we have Levi Strauss, which I think I've talked about them before, but I'll go into it again. They pay 3.6912. I love the brand. I love Levi's. They're my favorite type of jeans and my favorite cut of jeans. And so they pay 36912. They're cheaper, so that would be in the same plot as WBA, ExxonMobil, and Target. So Macy's would be my first pick for would be my cheap stock for 14710, and then SKT is my cheap stock for 25711, and then Levi Strauss would be my cheaper stock for 36912. Then we have US Bank. The reason I picked them was because I know I have American Express, but I don't actually have a bank. I actually do bank at US Bank, so I figured might as well support or invest in the one that I actually use, right? So most of the companies, like I am a fan of Coca-Cola. I buy Coca-Cola. I don't use AT&T, but I'm a huge fan of Warner products. I do shop at Target. Like most of the stuff I've invested in, I don't use personally, but I know the brands and I know a lot of people shop there or use the product. So for me, my favorite stocks will be Coca-Cola, will be Levi Strauss. Like those are the ones that I don't mind putting money in because I actually use those products. But overall, I don't think I've added anything else to the watch list besides those two since I showed you guys last, or besides those three. So I think that's it for today, guys. Overall, we are down or we're up a little bit today, but hopefully we finish out 2019 pretty strong, and we look forward to a great and brighter 2020. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, and happy investing. See you guys next time.